Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your system performance by extending your RAM using virtual memory in Windows 11. One thing I want to make clear that this method does not physically add more RAM to your computer, but it allows Windows to use some space from your hard drive as extra memory, which can help improve performance, especially if you have low RAM. And after applying settings, you will see a lot of difference in your PC's performance. The process is very simple, so make sure to follow each step. Also, if you find this video helpful, then make sure to like the video and subscribe. Your support really means a lot. Now, let's start the process. So first, go to your settings. Now go to System tab. Then scroll down and click on About. Once this window opens, you'll be able to see how much RAM is currently installed on your system. It might be 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, or more. Just note that number because we're going to use it in a calculation. Now click on Advanced System Settings. A new window called System Properties will open. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. Another window will appear. From the top tabs, click on Advanced. Here, you will see the Virtual Memory section. It explains that Windows uses part of your hard drive as if it were RAM. This area is called the paging file. To change it, click on Change. By default, the option Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives will be checked. Uncheck this option. After that, select Custom Size. Now, you'll see two boxers, Initial Size and Maximum Size. This is the important part. Now, we have to convert our RAM from gigabytes to megabytes. To do it, simply multiply the total number of gigabytes by 1024. For example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, multiply 8 by 1024. If you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, multiply 4 by 1024. The result is 4096 megabytes. Now, if we calculate for 8 gigabytes, we will multiply 8 with 1 0 to 4. The result is 8192 megabytes. You can use this same method for any amount of RAM. Just multiply the number of gigabytes by 1024 to get the value in megabytes. Now, we will calculate the initial size and maximum size of RAM. To do it, we have to multiply the value of our RAM we got in megabytes with these values of initial and maximum size of RAM. For initial value, we will multiply the value of RAM we got with 1.5. And if we do this calculation, we will get 12288. Now, we will calculate the maximum value. To do it, we will multiply the value of RAM we got in megabytes with 3. And after doing the calculations, we will get 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now, here are calculations for all RAM sizes. Whether you use 2 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, or 16 gigabytes, you can see your initial and maximum size for your RAM. As I have 8 gigabits off RAM, so I will use these values. Once you've entered the correct values, click on Set. Make sure to not enter comma here. then click OK. Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Make sure to restart one till all changes can take effect. After that, click Apply, and then OK to close all windows. After the restart, your virtual memory settings will be applied. Again, this does not physically increase your RAM, but it allows your system to use disk space as additional memory. This can help reduce lag and improve multitasking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.